Now we're going to create some actual pages for our website. So if necessary, bring up your website. In this case, I've logged out. Remember, if you want to log back in, it's the base address, then /wp-admin, like so. Then you just press return, and then you have to put your username in and your password to get back in. Now, if we go and have a look here, we've only got one page at the moment, the privacy policy that was originally created when we installed WordPress. So what we want to do now is create some new pages. So the sort of pages we're going to create are the usual things like the home page, the About Us page, services page, maybe FAQs, sitemap, possibly a gallery page, and contact us page. We can create pages now, we can always add new pages later. So let's go in and create a new page. So the way you do that, you click on where it says pages, and then you go to add new. Sometimes this comes up, so just get rid of that so you can see what you're doing. Just click here, it says add title, and in this case I'm just going to call this the home page. This is not a very good name in terms of SEO, which is search engine optimization, because to some extent you should try and get your keywords into the actual names of the pages. So let's say I was doing a website about, say, SEO training. Instead of calling it homepage, maybe calling it SEO training would be better, but this is just an example. So I'm going to call this homepage just for simplicity. I'm then going to go to my Word document with the fake Latin, and if I press Control A, that selects everything. Control C, that copies it to the clipboard. I'll go back here, and where it says start writing or typing, I'll just simply click there, press Control V to paste that information in. So I've now put some text content in there. What I now need to do is to publish it. So over here I click on the publish button. So I click once and it says, are you sure about this? Yes, I'm sure. Click on publish, it's now been published, and as you can see it says homepage is now live. So if I go to pages, all pages, as you can see I've got my privacy policy page, and I've also got the new page I've just created, which is homepage. So next I'm going to create an About Us page. So I go to pages, add new, and again I can go back to my Word document. Instead of everything, I'll miss out the first paragraph and select everything else, just so our pages will look a little bit different when we view them. And again I'll click here, press Ctrl V to paste the information in, click on the publish button, and again, what I didn't do was to add a title notice. So what I'm going to do now is to add a title. So I'm going to call this About, which I should have done first really. So in this case I'll click on update. So I'm now updating that, giving it a title. So I go and look at all my pages now. You can see I've got an About page and a Home page. So let's go to pages, add new. Now I'm going to type in a page title. So in this case we'll call it services. And we'll go back to our Word document to get some text. This time I'll just take maybe this. So I'll select that, Control C copies it into memory. Go back here, click here, Control V to paste it in, and there we go. So I'll click on publish, and then again to publish it. That's now live. So I go to all pages. As you can see, I've now got the original privacy policy page plus the 3 new pages. So next I'm going to create a page called FAQs. So I'll go to pages, add new. I'll type in a title, I'll call it FAQ. Again, I'll go to my Word document just to get some text. I'll just take the last 2 paragraphs in this case. Click here, Control V, in it goes. So click here to publish and publish again. Next I'm going to create a sitemap page. So I'll click on where it says add new. I'll give it a title. In this case I'm going to leave it empty. I'll explain why later. So I'll just give it the title's sitemap. I'll publish this by clicking twice there, and if we go and have a look at our all pages, there we are, we've got all the new pages including the sitemap I've just created. Next I'll go and create a page called Contact Us. So I'll go to Pages, Add New. As usual, type in the title up there. I'll just go and get some fake text, so I'll just take some paragraphs at random. And I'll pop that in there like so. And I'll click on Publish, and again. So if I go to look at all pages now, you can see there's my pages. Now if I move up to here where it says My Blog and then click on where it says Visit Site, you'll find that something is not right. You'll see it says Nothing Found. We'll explain how to fix that in the next chapter, but if you see that, then refer to the next chapter and you see how to fix it. So this is the front end. To go to the back end, you click here to go to the dashboard. So this is access to the sort of the back end, if you like. So you can switch from one to the other. So you can go from here, or you can view the site. If you want to go back again, just click on dashboard. So I say this is sort of the administration behind the scenes view, if you like. And if you go there, that's what the public's going to see, your visitors. At the moment, it all looks fairly horrible, but don't worry, we'll make it pretty later. But so far, what we've done, if we go back here, is, as I said, we've created these pages here. And if I want to view any one of these pages, I can just move to, say, About, click on it, and that will bring up the content. So I could edit it if I wanted to.